In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to Wix. To get started, open your browser and search for Popa AI Embed Instagram. Once you find the tool, open it so you can generate the embed code for your Instagram feed. This tool helps turn your Instagram feed link into a format that can be added directly to your Wix website, which makes the whole process much easier. When you're on the tool page, go to Instagram and copy the URL of the Instagram feed you want to display on your site. Make sure you're copying the correct link, because this is what the tool will use to generate the feed. Once you have that link copied, go back to the embed generator and paste the Instagram feed URL into the provided field. After pasting the link, click the Generate button. The tool will then create the embed code needed for your Instagram feed. This step is important because Wix needs embeddable code, not just a regular Instagram link, in order to display the feed properly on your website. Give it a moment if it takes a few seconds to load, and once the code is ready, you can move on to Wix. Now head over to your Wix website editor. Inside the editor, look for the Add option. Click on it, and then use the search feature to look for Embed. From the available options, select Embed Code. This will insert an area on your page where custom code can be added. Once the embed box appears, paste the generated code into the code text box. After that, click Apply. This tells Wix to load the Instagram feed using the code you just added. If everything was pasted correctly, your Instagram feed should now appear on the page. At this point, you can also reposition the embed section inside your Wix editor so it fits nicely with the rest of your page layout. It's a good idea to preview the page and make sure the feed displays correctly on both desktop and mobile views. If it doesn't look right, double-check that you copied the correct Instagram URL and pasted the full generated code without missing anything. And that's it. That's how you add an Instagram feed to Wix using an embed code generator. Once it's set up, it can help make your website feel more active, visual, and connected to your social media presence.